Dig deep, both of you. We've got it. Keep moving, don't stop.
Today, we're going to create an amazing viral AI video in just 2 minutes. First, take a look at this channel. It has only 20 uploaded videos, but the results are incredible. One video has over 1 million views, another has 159,000 views, and another has 180,000 views. You can also see another video that has reached 1 million views. The good news is that you can create videos just like these. This channel is also monetized. As you can see, its estimated monthly income is around $1.3K. Yes, that's right. You can create similar videos easily and start growing your own channel. Now, let me show you exactly how you can make these AI videos for free. The process is simple, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require any advanced skills. Before we begin, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video. Let's get started and learn how to create viral AI videos for free. First of all, open ChatGPT. After opening it, copy the green prompt that I will provide and simply paste it into ChatGPT. Once you paste the prompt, open the YouTube channel whose videos you want to create. Copy the links of 2-3 videos from that channel and paste them into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will analyze those videos and understand the style and type of content being created. After that, copy and paste prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3, the red prompt, and everything up to the green section. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate 150-word story. We will create shorts because shorts tend to go viral faster, but you can also use the same method for long-form videos. As you can see, ChatGPT provides image prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3, prompt 4, prompt 5, along with matching video prompts. For AI video generation, I use Flow Labs. It is a great website that gives 150 free credits initially and then provides 50 free credits daily. You can create multiple videos by using different email accounts. Now open Flow Labs, click on New Project and continue with the setup. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio for shorts. Then copy video prompt 1 along with image prompt 1 and paste them into the generator. Your video will start rendering. Repeat the same process for the other prompts to create additional video. As you can see, the first video is already generated and the result looks amazing. I can also open another browser and create videos there at the same time. By switching email accounts, you can continue creating more videos for free. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want a free AI voice generator and would like to learn how to create AI voices for your videos, leave a comment below and I'll share the link with you.